Hey campers and outdoor adventurers, welcome back to the channel, Capturing Life as It Happens. Today we have something exciting to unbox and review, the RBM Koala Hub Tent. This isn't just any tent, it's a modular all-season, quick setup camping tent that lets you connect multiple units together, transforming your campsite into a full-on camping mansion. We'll be diving into the build quality, setup process, standout feature, and of course, its unique hub-to-hub connection system. So if you're looking for that perfect tent for your next adventure, stay tuned. Let's get into it. All right, let's see what's inside the box. First, we have the tent itself, packed in a sturdy carry bag. Everything is neatly packed, and you can immediately tell the quality of the materials just from the weight and feel. Included in the accessory bag, we have one hand pump, a rain fly, front wall PVC canvas, and one connector. Now let's talk about build quality. The RBM Koala Hub Tent is made from high-grade, weather-resistant material, making it fully waterproof and windproof, perfect for all-season camping. The outer shell is a durable, heat-insulated fabric designed to keep you warm in winter and cool in summer. The zippers are heavy-duty and smooth, definitely built to last. The hub-style frame allows for an incredibly fast setup. More on that in a second. There's also a removable floor for easy cleaning and different camping setups. This tent is a great blend of comfort and durability, making it ideal for weekend getaways or long expeditions. Now let's set it up and see how quick and easy it really is. One of the best things about the Koala Hub is the design, which makes pitching this tent super fast. One, you unfold the tent and spread it out on a flat surface. 2, connect your air pump, set the PSI, and this is where the magic happens. First impression, I think this is going to be fun. I wasn't expecting the hub to be that big. Let's take a look at the outside. We got a Cootie logo here. On my Koala 7, it says RBM Outdoors, but the hub has Cootie. Right here, we have a skylight. It is made of the same plastic material in the Koala. It has a cover that you could probably roll up so you could get more of that natural light coming in. And there are 4 of those from the outside looking. There's another one. This is number 2. There's one more here, 3. And there's another one right here. And right next to this 4th one, there's a stove jack. So you could also put a separate wood stove in here if you want to have some extra heat. There are 4 entrances to this hub. We have 1, 2, there's 3, and there's 4. So on the hub, we have only 1 inflating port. The Koala 7 has 2 of them, but the hub has only 1. So far I've found one little issue with this hub tent. I'm not sure what this little buckle is for. I guess something else clips in here, but I was having a little bit of problem staking down this one here, because every time you hit the stake with the hammer, this little buckle flops around, and I was worried that I was gonna end up breaking it, but I kind of pulled it to the side a little bit and was able to stake this down. But I'm not sure what this little buckle is for, but I guess eventually we'll find out. But that is the first issue I have with the hub. For some reason I think this little buckle is probably too close to the D-ring where you have to stake the tent. Now let's check out the inside. First off, it is super spacious. You can comfortably sleep up to 6 people in here, depending on the setup you have. There's mesh on all 4 entrances to allow plenty of airflow. So in the hub tent, I don't see any storage pockets or hooks. The only thing I see, we have this rope up here that you could probably hang something on. Plenty of natural light when you roll up the covers from the skylights. You have a zipper along the perimeter of the tent, which allows you to remove the floor completely. If this top wasn't there, this would be the ground. So you could remove the entire floor in this tent by just unzipping the zippers around the bottom of the tent. The air tubes are massive, just like in the Koala 7. And this is what holds this tent together. This hub tent measures 12 by 12 by 9 feet in height. We have a stove jack, and you would have to remove the cover on the back to put your stove pipes. Okay, so here's where the RBM Koala Hub really shines. Its ability to connect multiple tents together. Right now I have only one koala, and I just connected it to the hub, and man, this is massive. This hub has connection points that allows you to attach additional tents, creating a customized camping compound. You want a 2-room setup? Just connect another koala tent for extra sleeping space. You need a central living area, attach a 3rd tent to act as a lounge or dining space. Planning a big family or group trip? Link multiple koala tents together with the hub to create a massive camping mansion. It took me about 13 steps from one end of the tent to the next. This is huge. Look at this. Oh my God, there's so much space here. There's so much you can do in here. You could put the bedroom here. You could put your living room here. You can put your kitchen, or you can put your kitchen here and your living room here. Whichever way you want to do it. There's just so much room in here. Or you can put your bedroom where the hub is, and your living room and your kitchen. Man, the only thing I wish my Koala 7 had was a door on this side here, so you could come out from any one of the entrances. But mine only has one door, and the back of my tent has a window. We're not able to get out from over here, but it's a lot of space. This is beautiful. And the good thing about this is you can add one more koala, another koala, and one more koala here. So a total you could add 4 koala tents to this hub. So you could have my family here, my brother here, a friend here, somebody else over here, and we can have, man, a massive compound at a campground. And this would be the central area with the sofa, and everybody could meet up here. We could have a table here. We could have like a dining room here with table, six chairs, and everybody could meet up here for breakfast. And you know, it's beautiful. I like it. Alright, so after unboxing, setting up, and testing out the RBM Koala Hub Tent, here's my final verdict. Build quality, 9.5 out of 10. Sturdy, waterproof, and built to last. Ease of setup, 10 out of 10. Fast setup, just connect the air pump, set the PSI, and in less than 10 minutes the hub is up. Comfort and space, 9 out of 10. Spacious interior with windows that lets in lots of natural light. Modular connection, 10 out of 10. The ability to expand makes this hub tent unbeatable. Overall score, I would say 5 out of 5 stars. So if you're looking for a high quality all-season expandable tent, the RBM Koala Hub is absolutely worth it. Whether you're camping solo, with family, or just setting up the next level base camp, this hub tent is a game changer. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth camping gear reviews. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider using the Koala Hub for your next trip, or if you have any questions. And if you're ready to grab your own, I've dropped the link and a discount code in the description below. Thank you for watching. Happy camping. See you in the next adventure.